Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another episode. In this episode, we're going to answer how important is it to keep your gutters clean. Guys, first you got to understand the purpose of the gutters. The purpose of the gutter is to carry the water away from the foundation, kind of just disperse it. Normally it'll take it around 3 foot from the foundation. That's what's recommended. You want the water at least 3 feet away from the foundation, because you got to imagine if there wasn't a home there, the rain would just kind of disperse. Say it was a 40 by 20 structure. The rain would disperse over that 40 by 20 over the land. Now the thing is, when you put a house on there and then you put the roof, and the rain is kind of pushed to that 1 inch diameter off the roof around the foundation of the home, it's a massive amount of water to that small section of foundation that causes erosion in the foundation. It causes basement issues, mold problems, bug problems in the home. So guys, the importance of maintaining gutters, just to kind of level this out and make this clear for you guys. You understand now the purpose of the gutters and why they're there. It's there to keep the water away from the foundation. Now, the problem is when you have gutters up there and they're not maintained, it would almost be better to not have gutters up there at all, because the problem is when you don't have gutters up there, the water's equally dispersed around the foundation, which isn't good. But by putting gutters up there and not maintaining them, you take all that water from that roof and you put it into one little even smaller area, which creates huge foundation issues. So the main purpose of maintaining those gutters is to keep that foundation dry, to keep your structure solid, firm, and you want to make sure you keep any moisture out of the basement, because it leads to all kinds of mold and bug issues in the home. You talk to any exterminator or any bug guy and he'll tell you you're going to want to keep that foundation dry. So the biggest one out of all of them, obviously, is keeping the water out of your basement and keeping the water away from your foundation, simply said. So that's it, guys. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification, get notified every time that I post a video. Don't forget to like and share the video, guys. Thanks a lot.